Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remotely lock or unlock Windows 10 PC with Find My Device feature that is built in on Windows 10. For this, first press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open the Settings app. Otherwise, you can press right click on this one Start button and here select Settings. This will also open the similar window. Here, click on Update and Security, this one last option. Then click on this one Find My Device option in the left sidebar. Here you will find My Device option. Click on this one Change button. Here, turn on this one toggle switch in case in your PC it is turned off. And before this, make sure uh, you have logged into your PC with Microsoft account. Now you have turned on Find My Device. Now whenever you want, you can remotely lock your PC. For this, you need to navigate to this one Microsoft account link. Then you will find here all Windows devices that you have installed for remotely lock. Here, click on this one Find My Device beside in devices field. Click on this one Find My Device option. Here you will find lock option. Click on this one lock option. Enter the region. Enter the region to lock your PC and click on this one lock button. It will immediately lock your Windows PC. In case you want to unlock remotely, again log in to your this one Microsoft account on Microsoft server through any device, maybe Android or Apple. After login, just you will find here unlock option. Click on this one unlock option and your PC will be unlocked remotely. Like this, you can lock and unlock your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.